How to find buyer request on Fiverr. Now welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find buyer requests on Fiverr. Please ensure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. Now keep in mind that the option for buyer request was removed from this platform, that is during December last year, and Fiverr buyer requests have been replaced with get matched or get brief function. Now this uses AI to automatically match up buyers with sellers. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily set up so that you can be able to get special request services from your buyers. Now to do that, click on that arrow beside my business, then click on gigs. Now ensure that you have at least 1 gig, and as you can see on top here, we have get briefs and we also get accepting custom orders. Now you can open the button of get briefs, then if you highlight accepting custom orders, you can see let buyers ask you for special services. Now that's how you can find buyer request if you open this button. As you can see right here, the one highlighted, let buyer ask you for special services. Now ensure that you've opened the button, open it, and buyers are able to see your gig, and you can be able to automatically be matched up with buyers and they can send you some requests. Guys, that's how you can easily find buyer requests on Fiverr. Guys, thank you, and ensure that you subscribe to my channel and also like the video. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.